Now, Ken's 5 Eyewitness News at 5.
It's a bracelet that speaks for the person who wears it.
The newest medical tool is actually a medical record that the patient carries with them just in case of an emergency. Ken's 5's Wendy Rigby has the story new at 5.
Listen to your carotid sinus.
If necessity is the mother of invention, then a need to have all of your medical records in one place has yielded a useful product. It's called Citizens Advocating Readiness for an Emergency, or CARE bands, a smart bracelet provided free to patients enrolled in WellMed's Medicare Advantage plan. The founder and chairman of WellMed, Dr. George Rapier, says the wristband is an idea whose time has come.
The average Medicare patient takes about 7 different medications and has 7 or 8 different chronic illnesses. So just trying to remember all that, and particularly if you're in a stressful situation or have to go to the hospital or an emergency room, there's just no way that you can remember that yourself.
The idea is that seniors, like 75-year-old Jerry Still, might be in a situation where they need quick medical help, but can't recall what medications they are on or when is the last time they had a certain kind of test. The USB port, which can be plugged into any internet-connected computer, will display the patient's up-to-date medical records in seconds. For patients, it's a little peace of mind.
It's amazing how much information they've got on that little bracelet. I think it is really good and will help a lot of people and will make them more secure.
WellMed is making the CARE bands available to 30,000 of its patients over the next year. With its ability to contain important information about drug allergies, lab results, and prescriptions, it could be a lifesaver as well as a time saver in a critical situation.
It really is an accurate source of medical information for the patient and their family and for emergency personnel.
The device is also available in a keychain form. It was designed and patented by a San Antonio company, and it's weatherproof. Reporting live, Wendy Rigby, Ken's 5 Eyewitness News.
I had been in HEB Pharmacy and seen the CARE band sitting on their counter. And then I saw this, and I looked at it, and I thought, this is cool. You know, you go in and you just change your stuff on the computer as it changes. So anyway, I bought the band, and 3 days later, I had a severe asthma attack, and they had to fly me to Seton. They were asking me, what meds are you on? Well, I'm on a ton of meds. And I had already filled everything out, and I had my band on. They're trying to ask my son and my roommate, you know, what kind of medical history does she have? What meds is she on? And they said, everything that you need to know is on that band, that bracelet right there that she's got on. They said, all you do is plug it into your computer, and it'll pull up her complete past and present medical history, along with every medicine she's taken. The doctors and the nurses were asking questions. The flight medics, I heard tell the doctors and the nurses, had told them everything they needed to know was on that bracelet. Doctors and nurses at the hospital were just, they couldn't believe it, that somebody finally came up with something so useful. And this is going to save, I think, more lives than the regular medical alert bracelets do. And so it very well may have saved my life. And
I have a heart condition. I have a pacemaker and defibrillator. And when I got to the emergency room, and then I gave them my bracelet, and I told them that they just needed to plug it into the computer. Oh, they were shocked. They just absolutely couldn't get over it. The doctor wanted one for her grandmother. The receptionist wanted one for her son, and one of the other ladies wanted one for a member of her family.
I have so many different things wrong and take so many different meds and have so many doctors that, you know, those little metal ones, there's no way I could fit anything on there. And I saw this is awesome. And I put the software in, and I was just amazed. It's awesome. You know, and I went to see my pain doctor on Monday, and I showed it to him, and he said, I don't know about this. And I said, plug it into a USB. And they plugged it in, and Dr. Alvarado said, I wish I'd have thought of this.